1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box Stepside here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the bright work up front as far as the chrome and headlight surrounds, grille. As you can see, some custom pinstriping and the black paint. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where all the pics are. Of course, you can also call us 507-386-1726. Polished wheels, radial tires. Now, as far as the paint on this truck, it does have a nice shine to it, but is it perfect? No. There's some speckling in the clear. It's black. You can see some light scratches on it, you know, kind of in the clear. Don't get me wrong. You can see it has a nice shine to it. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It still shows well. Just want to let you know the paint's not perfect on it. But it's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Interior, kind of a taupe or neutral colored interior. 3-passenger seating in this regular cab. Aftermarket stereo, AM, FM cassette. That is in working order. Tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out in just a little bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, and as you can see, a little more pinstriping on the tailgate. Bed of this truck finished off very nicely. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pics. If you like these custom old trucks from the 60s or maybe 70s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they are uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase, whether it be from our website or right off our showroom floor. If you can make it to see us in person, we always like that. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. Once again, tilt column. Kind of a cool setup here where you have a little more modern aftermarket mirror control for the remote down here. Leather seats. It's got a little bit of a street ride feel to this truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Electric fuel pump. Fires right up.
Feeling satisfied on counts 100.
Radio working.
Our service spotlight is on sharing your route.
Under dash AC unit. And again, technician stated blows cold. Top of the dash looks good. And again, seating surface is nice shape. Got that fold down armrest on that center one. Visors are intact. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that small block. Let me go ahead and pause this just real quick. Get this hood popped. We'll check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this thing for a drive. All right, underside of the hood and engine bay. So there it is, small block Chev. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice smooth runner. There's a disconnect for the battery for in between drives, or maybe while it's sitting in storage. 1968 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, short box, step side. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Stick around just a little bit longer. Jason's going to take her out for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 68 Chevrolet C10 Stepside in black with black and wood on the interior. We got a beige leather seat set of buckets with a center seat that has fold down storage and cup holders. Very nice running 68 Chevrolet. Power steering is amazing in this. Works very well. Our battery is charging just over half. Temperature about a third of the way up the gauge. Oil pressure 2/3 of the way. That's all looking good. Fuel gauge is working, showing a little over half full, and our speedometer also working. We have a radio in the dash from Spark-O-Matic. That is working. Air blows out of the HVAC, but it is not cold air. Smooth ride from this truck. Again, very easy to steer. Automatic right on the column. We've got tilt. Not too loud of a ride when you're on the throttle. You only hear it when you're giving it lots of gas. Nice and subdued while you're cruising down the highway. So you can hear the radio, really. Corners nicely. This truck doesn't lean much in the corners. Very good acceleration. A strong run in Chevrolet. The wipers are working. Take a look at all the pictures of this 68 Chevy C10 at uniqueclassiccars.com.